How to fix Costco app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, if your Costco application is not working in your device, then make sure that you have the latest version of Costco app. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Costco. If you see update just beside the Costco application, it means your application needs updation. Go ahead and tap on update. If it says open, leave that as it is. Once done, head over to your settings and here scroll below onto apps. Here search for Costco. For instance, if this is my Costco app, you're going to have to go on to storage and clear the data as well as clear the cache. Before that, make sure that you remember your username and your password for your Costco. Now come back and tap on Force Stop. Once done, tap on OK and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then uninstall that Costco application and reinstall it again in your device. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.